Okay, ma'am, you can get in.
Yeah, I need help.
I'll take you. Get on. You good?
Yes, but this really hurts to get me to the hospital.
Okay, I'll get you there. Here, we're here.
This hurts so much.
Okay, let me take you to the surgery room.
This hurts so much.
Don't worry, we're almost there.
Please hurry up.
We're here.
This hurts.
Now you need to just push, 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 push. Push the baby out.
I am.
Congratulations. It's a baby girl.
I am so happy.
What do you want to name her?
I'm going to name her Sarah.
Okay. That's a cute name. You ready?
Time to go home.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Sarah,
What is it, Mommy?
what do you want for lunch?
Spaghetti, please.
We don't have anything for spaghetti.
Then tacos.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for them.
Okay.
I can't wait for next year so I can get to go to school.
I know, you're really excited.
It's summertime. I'm so excited.
Sarah,
What?
dinner's done.
Ow!
Are you okay? Where'd you go, Sarah? Come here. It was only a little scratch. You'll be okay. Anyways, lunch is ready.
Thank you, Mom. Nom nom
You
nom.
want to eat? Okay, you can eat in the living room. These tacos are good.
Yeah, especially because you made them.
Well, Sarah,
What?
even though it's daytime, it's time for you to go to bed.
Oh, okay. Where's my
You're sleeping with me tonight,
why?
okay? I'm your mother.
'Cause I hurt myself?
Yes. Come upstairs.
Oh, I went downstairs.
Silly.
I'm kind of afraid of elevators.
You'll be fine though. Come on. My room's right over here. Go ahead, put on your pajamas. I'm up on mine. Good night, Sarah.
Night, Mommy. Mom, I'm going to be going to a party.
Okay, have fun.
Okay. Mom,
Yeah?
I feel sick.
Are you pregnant?
I don't know.
Well, I have pregnancy test upstairs. I have pregnancy test upstairs.
Okay.
We're in my bathroom.
Okay, now I just gotta get one and
Come downstairs with the results, okay?
Okay. Okay, now let's see what the results are. Positive? No, Mom's gonna kill me.
Are you done yet?
I'm coming downstairs, Mom.
Okay.
Where the heck is the elevator? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Hoo-yah! Ow! I fell in the water.
Are you okay down there?
Yeah, okay. I got the results.
So?
I'm
What?
so nervous to tell you. I'm pregnant.
No. No. This can't be. Young lady, you are grounded.
For what?
For getting pregnant. For being irresponsible.
I'm irresponsible to take care of a child?
No, you're just irresponsible. You shouldn't have gotten pregnant in the first place. Now go to your room.
You know what? Fine. Maybe I will. I should just move out and raise this baby on my own and never let you meet her.
Good. I really miss Sarah. She did move right next to me. Maybe I can go say hi. It's grandma time.
Oh, Mom. Ah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Mom.
So, how's your life been?
It's good. How about you?
Perfect. I made a new house.
After I moved into this one?
Yeah. Yep, after you moved into this one.
I don't even have any baby stuff. I'm gonna go install that.
Can you?
I'm gonna put the baby in the crib and let's just talk.
Okay.
So, I've missed you.
I've missed you too. Do you have a job yet?
Actually, I'm working at a school.
Oh, that's nice. How much money do you?
I make $500 every day.
Wow, that's a lot of money. I can see why you can afford this house.
Yeah, this house is pretty nice. I bought games for my kid when he's older.
What's this? What's this?
Oh, it's a library.
Oh,
But there's this little button right here, which I've never been able to know why or how to access it. Let's go. It's a meeting room.
this is a coat room.
Yeah, I'm kind of cold.
No, coat.
Yeah, this is a meeting room.
Where cult members sacrifice and kill people.
Let's go back upstairs.
Oh, I can smell the dead bodies down there.
Ew.
Ah!
Ah!
Okay, there you are.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's head back upstairs and never come back down here.
Okay. I can't believe my mother just died.
It's okay, Mommy.
You know what?
What?
You're right. It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Oh, but you're going to be spending the weekend with your father right now. Ugh, man. The struggle over this. This is just so hard. Ugh. Oh. Oh. Ugh.
Mom? 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 Mom, wake up! Please! Boss? Hello? 911 operator. I think my mom's dead.
Really? Did you check if she's still breathing?
No.
We'll check that first.
Okay. Oh, she is still breathing.
Well, we'll come get her. You have to come with us.
Okay.
We're here. We're here. We're gonna come and get her.
Okay.